Quagliarella esi we jai ball no ball. No be to me aya na waye no. It's beautiful. Yawa afibem 2023.
Yes.
Quagliarella made his debut as a 17-year-old for Torino in Serie A. Until to me, I can say, from then, Quagliarella bought actively for 23 seasons of top-flight football. Now roll back the years. So 2023, we free 2018-19 season, just 5 years ago. At 35, Quagliarella was the top scorer and now the capocannoniere in the Italian Serie A. It's a distinct career for him. Quagliarella ball from under 18 to every level for the Italian national teams. Oshego.
Wow.
Under 18, under 19, under 20, under 21. Quagliarella made his debut for Italy in 2007.
2007.
Italian first team.
Wow.
Azzurri. Tima Italy did back Euro 2008. Na Fabio Quagliarella ekaho. Tima Italy did back Confederations Cup 2009. was South Africa.
SOMPA Sports.
Quagliarella kaho. Tima Modoko World Cup 2010 was South Africa. Na Quagliarella kaho. Quagliarella ebe kani pa with his time at Juventus. Well, 2011, 2012, 2012, 2013, 2013, 2014, 3 consecutive seasons. He was a league winner with Juventus.
Yeah.
No call Napoli on loan. I don't know if you. He's a Napolitan. You make kind pa only Ezekiel Pocho Lavetti.
Pocho.
And American Sheikh Eda Omechi. Walter Mazzari in the time. And they qualified them into the Europa League. The last match about Napoli was Europa League. So he's a journeyman. Ascoli, Fiorentina, Torino. He's played for 8 different teams. And one of the sharpshooters in Serie A is bowing down. It's been a distinguished career for him, especially at club level, because he's one of the few players who have won Serie C, Serie B, and then Serie A.
Oh, was that record?
Yeah. Serie C to no only Fiorentina.
Wow.
Now, Adebakwa made the kind of yes, Montenegrin striker and American Vucinic. Error, actually, go be in the draws, no. You get the video, not in the soccer to me. So, he's seen it all. He's been through it all. But a good thing is that he's exiting at a time that Italy here strikers of his caliber.
O film time on here. Now Italy players in Bishop. Get one more so special Bobo Chesa.
You see, one, I hear many way as you be. Oh, Doctor Sama Menrina, and I said Doctor no Krobu. Today, then incident, breakthrough. And then, baby on one, the climate is different from other parts of Europe.
SOMPA Sports.
And they know how to evolve. Quagliarella no a winger, or be attacker. A chuka that he was a bit deep. Only no bobo ni be more. Look at Pello, Mancini, Maldini, even Conte himself.
Yes.
You find a number of these guys. There was this striker at Udinese. Di Natale.
Antonio Di Natale.
So for any film, they evolve.
Costa Cuta also watch.
Oh, this team, Hellas Verona, Chievo Verona.
Yeah.
No more striker behind the team passer or butcher. Usana or her sports highlights no. Giuseppe Signori.
Yes.
Any Bologna. Look, Omo butcher. And it's from one generation to the other. And man. And you've got to respect how they go about their craft. And so
SOMPA Sports.
And it's nice to see that a player of his caliber is actually exiting. Argentina no be unsure. No mun concede goal. No more the longest unbeaten run in international football until they met Marcelo Bielsa. It might not be today, but me at time I say Uruguay. Ever be one of the contenders for the next 2 Copa Americas.
Uruguay.
There's something is brewing there. You could clearly see.
There are Bibi Asha see, you know.
Oh yeah, Bibi oh. Who say Bibi almost share Bibi oh. It's me wakumia video be on the chair on your phone. So Facundo Pellistri. Who to that win in a scrana ham. Facundo Pellistri. Born or boy Uruguay different from the Obama Manchester. And ono ni ochiri ne say akra why wadwen say obebobra obebo zia
am abobra no
ai omo ni Argentina no ahwe match ni bi no just before the match I'm a Obama
Sports.
it took Pablo Aimar for like a minute or two no on TV cry no Marcelo Bielsa no or Chile no is there for everybody to see Koku and the generation no build there no energy Copa America no and they did so well. Now over here this was a team after the World Cup people were genuinely asking saying Uruguay omo next generation of players no omo win why more Darwin Nunes na one of them flanking no Cavani ni Suarez oba yo mumio numbo wako Mexico wako fa player fi odi aba Georgian de Arrascaeta mini ni nti oda so wo Brazil ebo Nicolas de la Cruz he's playing look what mu say o sheshe bibia mo
so na IFA di baba di captain
masa young boy maybe not Dries Mosre Ugarte no mo friend Bungate na no ball la robot so he's
SOMPA Sports.
developing a system that would improve everybody. And in a matter of time, especially on the continent, they are a great nation on the continent. And Chibiaki, there will be a sound conversation about the rebirth of Uruguayan football. Nania Dennis said, years after say we're free on because Chile did under how he's Sampaoli. So nya bankwa dia ubi Swaba. And Crado show more Bilbao. Marseille cried an egg craving to Congress. Look at why he did at Leeds and why he left. There's always a handiwork.
team no
Of course, we'll jail bibi. Ugusunsia a best family trap. Now you Montenegro ni Hungary for no. And then I'm Radani. Sandor cautious and then French Pushkas more time no. Now if you guys were a major force. Kwame Nkrumah actually aligned us to Europe and Hungary because of
SOMPA
their
Sports.
prospects in sports. And I know our friend Puskas Arena no. Omoche Montenegro shomo 3-1 to qualify for their 5th European Championship. Rebecca said they were in Spain in 64. They were in the semi-final 7-2 Omobai. Oman qualified Bima until but as Zuzak, they know what PSV Eindhoven no. Edwin Bar 2016 on it Kirali goalkeeper no and Adam Jalai. Omo Portugal bought 3-3.
yes
Group game.
yes
Now at the French Pushkas Arena, they've qualified for the 3rd consecutive European Championship. They were in 2016, they were in 2020, and they are now coming to 2024. Gavi Asamna Mokano, somebody who must take note and cue from that, Dominic Spochli. Even at a young age, he was a shining star for them, en route to qualifying for the European Championship in 2020. Yeah, but
SOMPA Sports.
including Budapest.
yes
No, a pretty fee.
oh
Or qualify or movie. Intima Mobi. Intino, Enra, or qualify no nom in Sabi, our partner. So if you can get the video and send a friend Palinka, a fruit brandy, inside. But yeah, she was like now to say or no video or no on or I sounded on no more partners. No, we no here on the fans no. And Sunday, and so we no. Didn't na a honor beko akojina akonom. Nkura ndi fi omuhwe TV. Good, but then it has a route. And so we ankasa ni tino. Eshe baby a friend the Carpathian Mountains. A honor mu edua sa edua bana omu edeye sa Palinka no. Na omu ultras no. And I said, national team supporters, no. They're from the Carpathian Brigade. Because the European Championship, no more deals on the pa.
SOMPA
You know about
Sports.
brigade, no. Have no more monster. Maybe I'm one who free the source of their strength.
okay
I'm about parking and no mucha deba. No more be Jinema did na. Let's enjoy some of the debate.
És akkor az egész stadion énekeljen egy jó nagyot. Az éjjel soha nem érhet véget. A szerelem...
So clearly, I mean, this is a national team captain at 23 years. He's qualified them. It's so human. Almost 14 months. They've gone almost for. Oh, it's Argentina. They no coin. No, I'm not the longest unbeaten run in European international football.
Wow.
So okay, qualification now. Any players no more team. Marco Rossi wayadi.
SOMPA Sports.
Because Hungary don't have household names.
Tabi.
Attila Jalai, Hoffenheim. Shboshelai. Goalkeeper Gulashi, Leipzig. Why be because Adam Jalai Kroni Hagi, Adam Hagimo. Look, they don't have a decent team. Enunti, Mususu Holland, any Odegaard. They are building a team.
Oh, we don't watch it.
They are young. At some point,
Holland,
they would come back.
Odegaard.
And maybe best one back. Nusa. Say Nusa no so can. Oh, ombe okay.
Omache.
We to ask but ombe okay.
Omache.
Unya butreka kra.
Omache.
Unya butreka kra.
Ora mate. Beba fi ni di nkomo. Em say ne de wo won se bibra bi ya no wa ha ma me. Ukrumo de bia. De bia. Adi Mirana Marco Apostle Sonaya Bomode Team. Na mo so sika promotion o akwenya so beba no wa